Were you happy that you could recharge
Yeah,
your mobile phone in the airport?
Yes, I've never experienced it.
Never experienced that?
No.
So you've never seen this. It's quite unique for you.
Yeah.
That's great. And do you normally use the Qi, so the contact, or you use more the cables?
The cables.
But if you have this possibility of having the Qi, you prefer just to put the phone on there?
Yeah, of course.
Okay,
That's
so
much more easy.
it worked perfectly and you are very happy with that?
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.